Hello students, in the previous chapter I have given the question answers of this chapter evolution of mankind. But in live session as we are still discussing Homo sapiens, I won't proceed further with the videos. So today we will just take the reading of this lesson. Homo habilis to Homo sapiens. The skilled human, the species of human who could use their hands skillfully is known as the skilled human. The first evidence of this species was found in the border region of Tanzania and Kenya in the continent of Africa. The scientist Louis Leakey, who discovered this species, named it Homo habilis because beside their fossilized remains, he found some tools made by them. In Latin, Homo means man and habilis means the one who can use his hand skillfully. Homo habilis could stand on 2 feet and walk. His spine was slightly bent and not quite erect. His brain was bigger than that of the apes, although his face and limbs were somewhat similar to theirs. The stone tools made by Homo habilis were not useful for hunting big animals. They had limited use of such as scraping meat from the skin of dead animals or breaking bones to get the marrow. We can infer from that Homo habilis was a forager. He ate the leftovers of animals that had been hunted by the other big animals and gathered eggs, wild fruits, and roots to eat. Homo erectus. Homo erectus marks an important stage in human evolution. Erectus means the one who stands erect. Hence, the name Homo erectus. Compared to Homo habilis, he had a more developed brain. Humans of Homo erectus species lived in groups. Having seen wildfires, humans knew about fire. It is likely that Homo erectus had learned the technique of fetching the burning branches of trees to use that fire. During his time, most of the earth was covered with the ice sheet. Therefore, the climate was extremely cold. Homo erectus could survive in that extremely cold climate because he had learned to use fire. However, he had not yet mastered the technique of making fire. Tools made by Homo erectus were made more developed and symmetrical compared to those made by Homo habilis. Homo erectus made tools like the hand axe. Remains of Homo erectus have been found along with his tools in the continent of Africa, Asia, and Europe. Homo neanderthalensis or in Neanderthal men. One more stage of development in human evolution is Homo neanderthalensis. He was physically big and strong. He is commonly known as Neanderthal because his remains were first found at Neanderthal, a place in Germany. His brain was more developed than that of Homo erectus. The Neanderthals primarily lived in caves. They made tools out of big pebbles as well as from the flakes scraped off from them. Such tools were fixed on a bone or wooden shaft to make weapons like the spear, axe, etc. Neanderthals hunted big animals. They used scraper made from the stone flakes to scrape meat from the hide of the dead animals. They used leather clothing. They were mainly meat eaters. They ate meat roasted on fire. They knew the art of making fire by rubbing sticks of hard wood on each other or by striking one flint stone on another to obtain spark. It is likely that the Neanderthal had developed some artistic skills. Some scientists believe that they also communicate with each other by producing grunts and other primary sounds. However, it is not known whether they had a developed language system to express their thoughts with the help of words. When a member of a group died, the Neanderthals buried tools, horns, etc., along with the dead body. Also, they applied red ochre to the dead body before burying it. It indicates that Neanderthal established some rituals of burying the dead. In course of time, some groups of Neanderthal left Africa and migrated up to the continent of Europe and Asia. Naturally, they had to face a different environment. They had to adopt new ways of living and finding food. Therefore, they went on modifying and improving the tools that were essential in their life. However, the improvements in the tools took place over thousands of years. Homo sapiens is the name used for humans that were more advanced than Neanderthal. Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. We shall learn more about him later. The Neanderthals and Homo sapiens were neighbors for some time in Europe. It is believed that due to the reason like the conflict with Homo sapiens and inability to adapt to natural changes, the Neanderthal became extinct. On the basis of C14 dating, it is estimated that Neanderthal became extinct about 30,000 years ago. Homo sapiens. The human species that was more intelligent than any of earlier species was known Homo sapiens. In Europe, Homo sapien is also known as Cro-Magnon man. Their remains have been found in the continent of Europe, Asia, and Africa. Homo sapiens made different types of tools and implements to suit the task they needed to do. They used to make stone blades and fix them in groove and notch made in wood or bone handles. Homo sapiens had evolved to the stage of having a fully developed larynx which could produce a range of sounds. With the subtle differences, their jaw and muscles inside the mouth were more developed, and the tongue was flexible. Hence, Homo sapiens could use them to produce variety of sound and modulate his voice the way he liked. Using his imagination, he could give names to the different things he saw and put his thoughts and feelings into words. Using these words, he could speak and communicate. In short, he had a